guys, welcome back guys. So today's video is gonna be about roof sheathing. So my walls are 10 foot high from the bottom of the floor, not actually from the ground. So in my mind I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna get the sheets up to the top, but I think I might have it figured out of what I think I'm gonna do. What you didn't see in the last rafter video that I did, I just put those little bracing that going from rafter to rafter. I didn't put them on all of them, just every so often, because like I mentioned in my rafter video, my roof had a bow in it where I had my two ridge boards coming together, so I just put those in it to help support that weight so it doesn't sag. And after I move this brace, I'm gonna put another one on this side of it, so it should be good to go. But I'm gonna get you guys set up on a time lapse, and make sure y'all comment any comments that you might have. Make sure y'all like the video, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, make sure y'all thumbs up or thumbs down, whichever you please. It doesn't faze me either way. I appreciate the recognition, whether you like it or you don't. I appreciate it. But make sure y'all leave a comment if y'all don't like it, telling me why you didn't like it. And also leave a comment down in the comments if I may have done something wrong, or any suggestions on how I can improve it. But I'm gonna get you guys set up on this time lapse, and we're gonna try to get some roof sheathing on at least 1 or 2 sheets before the day is over with. So y'all stay tuned. Bam. Guys, what you guys just watched was me struggling to get that sheet, 1 sheet up on this roof. So I think I got a different game plan for today, and I think I might get it to work today. So I'm gonna get you guys, try this one more time. I'm gonna get you guys set back up on a time lapse, and we're gonna try to get this done. Howdy, hey guys, we're back with another one. So what you guys previously saw was me putting these two sheets on right here at the top. Now I'm going to get these other sheets put on, but when I put these sheets on, I want to stagger them just like I did with the floor, staggering the floor. So instead of me putting a sheet like this one is here, I'm going to put a full sheet in the middle and then half a sheets on the end. The 4-foot sheets will be on the end, and a full sheet is going to be in the middle. So the only thing I need to do is measure from there to the end to see how long of a piece that I need, and then we'll get set up cutting to get the pieces put up, and we'll nail everything off. And I didn't fully nail everything. I just nailed a little bit in this corner at the top here, and the same on this sheet. I nailed at the corner there, and there. And I think I shot 1 or 2 in the middle. But this is what it looks like from the top. I'm gonna go ahead and get this measurement here so that we're able to go ahead and get our sheets cut. I hope you guys are entertained thus far with what I'm doing in the project, and I hope it's beneficial if it's something that you want to tackle yourself. So the way it's looking, guys, I'm about 4 foot from that sheet there to the end of the rafter. I'm about 4 foot and a half inch. So 48.5 inches. Y'all, I said 4 foot and a half inch. 48.5 inches is where we at to the end. And those OSB sheets come in 4x8 sheets. So we're just long enough to put a full sheet here. And I'll just cut them later for my my facial cuts. Fascia and stuff like that. I can cut them off later as I please. But I'm gonna go ahead and get my full sheet thrown up here, and then we'll cut one of the sheets in half, and we'll put a 4 foot on this end, a 4 foot on this end, and an 8 foot will be in the middle. And the only reason that you're doing that is so that you don't have all your sheets are attached to the same joist. Structural strength, you want them to overlap, so that you might have a seam here on this sheet, but you'll have a full sheet here just in case, and that just structurally will make it stronger. And I did the same thing with the floor, if you guys remember in that video. Like I always say, guys, I'm not sure if I said it earlier in this video, but this is my disclaimer. I am not a professional. I am not a contractor. I am not anyone that does this type of work for a living. I'm just a person that's creating YouTube videos from his house. So I'm just doing my little own experiments and projects on my own. So before I put this sheet on, I'm gonna go ahead and get my hammer and hammering all these nails here. So I'm gonna get you guys set up with a time lapse, and it's enough talking for this. Let me just put everything in action. So I'm gonna get you guys set up on this time lapse, and I'll be right back.
Doing crazy dreaming.
All right, guys, so got all the sheets put up on the roof.